Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Rohit. Today we will see how to install Visual Studio Code and how to run HTML code with the help of Live Server. So first of all, open the Chrome, then open the Chrome and then search the Visual Studio Code. Remember there are two things which download the Visual Studio Code. Then choose the correct link to download, or I will give the link in description box. And after coming on this link, there is download button for Windows. So after clicking on this button, download will start. You guys download that setup file. In my case, I have already downloaded. So just click on that. Then it will ask for a agreement. Accept that agreement. Then click on next. Then location will given here. Keep it as it is. Then it will ask for to create start menu folder. If you want to create, you can check this box. In my case, I am keeping it as it is. Then here, if you want to create a desktop icon, check this box. Open with code link option is also there. If you want, then you can check this box. In my case, I am not checking this box, but don't forget to check this box. This is important. Click on next, then click on install. It takes some time. So now Visual Studio Code is installed. I am launching this by clicking on finish. So you can see Visual Studio Code is successfully installed on my system. So to do coding in Visual Studio Code, you have to create a new file or open file. In my case, I have already created one HTML file, so I am will open the folder. In my case, there is in InDrive. I have created one website, GM website. So click on select folder. It will automatically open that folder in that folder. If you have images and HTML, then it will show here on the left hand side. To run the HTML code, we have to download the Go Live extension. In my case, I have already downloaded, so I will show you how to download that Go Live option here. That is, it is showing here, that one. Click on here extensions, then just search here live server. Here it is showing live server. In my case, I have already installed to, it is showing that to uninstall, but in your case it is uninstall button is there. You have to install this live server. Then at the right bottom corner option will be there of go live. Then by clicking on go live, your website or HTML code is visible here. So that's it. Thank you guys for listening. Take care.